To import contacts on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open the Contacts app. This specific app right here, just click on it, and then you should be able to find the Organize button. Now, if you select that, you need to go down and look for the Import from File. Now you'll be able to import contacts from a file. So if you have a file somewhere on your device with your contacts, you can click on it, then choose a storage where you want to save those contacts, and after that it should open your file manager. Now only thing that's left is to just find the file with your contacts. So you can browse your phone storage right here. You can also go to documents or downloads where the files should be located. Now select those contacts file, and all of the contacts from this file will be imported to our phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.